Why is the Louis Vuitton Cussin bag so popular? Its size and shape make it utilitarian to wear with two straps that serve dual functions, to look stylish and to be comfortable. The bag is also made of puffy lambskin and embossed with Louis Vuitton's iconic monogram, making it great for all-around comfort. The Cussin model is spacious enough to fit a MacBook, and the bag's puffiness is enough to pad the laptop as well, which makes it ideal to look stylish for work or travel. With 3 compartments, it can serve 3 different functions for you: wear the bag casually or to the office to carry files. It's the modern version of a tote bag that you will throw all your things into. Since you can wear it to work, the bag is good value for your money. There's even a compartment to carry a mask and hand sanitizer, and separate it from your other belongings. Plus, this Louis Vuitton IT bag comes in an array of colors. First out in olive green with gold hardware. The color doesn't suit everyone's taste. However, in the Cussin also comes in black with gold, making that the iconic choice for the practical person. The Cussin PM comes in black plus gold, cream plus gold, red plus gold, silver on silver, and in neon green plus silver. My least favorite bag is the bright green and silver combination. However, if you combine it with Prada nylon clothes, like their hat, puffer, shorts and boots, then it could look chic. This bag is definitely not for the person who feels this IT bag is a large investment. It's more for that person who has many designer bags and wants a statement bag. My personal favorite is the cream with gold bag, with winter white being so in fashion for fall, winter 2020, and with spring and summer coming along. This Louis Vuitton IT bag 2021 is an all-season handbag. Wear it year-round, especially if you want an alternative to black.